Have you ever watched a child scribble? It doesn't matter what they're creating, they're just happy to put pen to paper. And as we get older, we start to color inside the lines and pay closer attention to what the other kids are creating. And as adults, we're driven less by what's inside us and more by what we take in. But we can still create from that place we did as a child because everybody has a scribble inside them. Hi there, I'm Joe Smigielski, an intuitive artist with a degree in art education. I've developed a method to generate imagery for my paintings using scribbles, and I've been using this method for the last 20 years as a way to break past the blank canvas and blocked mind so that intuitive marks inform my compositions and inspire imagery. I'm sharing this technique by showing 3 exercises that can be used alone or combined to inspire your own creations. So what are scribble prompts? They're visual prompts generated from your own scribbles that can be used as inspiration for illustrations, paintings, poems, stories, or just to get your creativity flowing. Because the process is organic, the prompts are uniquely yours. Think of it as finding shapes in clouds, but in this case, you're also creating the clouds. So it's all intuitive imagery, from the marks in the scribbles to the prompts your mind creates from the lines. We'll start with an intuitive scribble. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll give you tips and tricks on how to create your own scribble, as well as the best tools and methods for the most productive scribbles. Then we'll dive into our 3 methods for developing prompts. In the first method, we'll carve away lines revealing our prompts. As lines disappear, the scribble itself evolves. And our second technique, we'll color block to build up our prompts. Adding color can lead to fun surprises. We'll finish with a third technique in which we draw intentionally, outlining the parts of the scribble that inspire us. This class is for beginners to seasoned artists. It's great for anyone who wants to break a creative block, work more mindfully, and it might inspire your next masterpiece. It's a class for anybody who wants a stress-free approach to creating without expectation. And scribble prompts are just plain fun. I'll be using Procreate with an Apple Pencil. You can use any app you're most comfortable with on desktop or iPad, and it does help to use a pressure-sensitive stylus. While I am using Procreate, this isn't a Procreate-specific class, so it assumes some familiarity with the app as we won't be discussing the interface. So are you ready to unlock your scribble prompts? If so, let's start scribbling.